One of the best tips I can give to any aspiring real estate sales agent is to get the mentor. Kasi pag may mentor ka, meron kang guide. Merong magtuturo sa'yo ng step by step ng proseso para maging successful na real estate salesperson. Ibig sabihin nito, ang laki ng masa-shortcut mo pagdating sa learning curve o dun sa pag-aaral ng negosyo. Dahil meron talagang mag-guide sa'yo based sa kanyang expertise at based sa kanyang experience. Kaya talaga ang suggestion ko, you find the right mentor for you to become a successful real estate agent. At yun ang isang balita namin dito sa Green Circle Realty. We've known to be the mentors or the training ground for successful real estate salespreneurs. So kung ikaw isang aspiring real estate agent na gusto maging successful, just send us a message and we will reach out to you because we'll be happy to mentor you the next successful and top earning real estate salespreneur. At ito ay libre dahil ang paniwala namin, your success will always be our success.